Hi everyone. It's been a while since I've recorded one of these videos. So today it's a very nice day, about 20 degrees Celsius. And one thing that I've noticed in my car is that it's starting to rust at the bottom next to the rear axle. Nothing too serious. I'll show you in the video. But my plan is to actually apply under seal protection coating, and that requires a bit of time. Last time I tried to do it, it had it was too dirty. So as I was trying to sand it, I was pretty much not sanding anything because it wasn't cleaned properly. So today what I want to do is I have two little ramps. I want to put the car on the ramp and then power wash it, clean it as much as I can, let it dry. Once it's dry, I'll be able to sand it properly. Then I'll apply the underbody seal cover that I actually bought recently, and I'll be able to do all that. Anyway, I'm just trying to apply on the area that has advanced more than it should, in my opinion. And if it doesn't look too good, if I don't feel that it looks up to expectations, then eventually I'm going to actually have to pay for somebody to do for the entire car. But anyway, I feel like this is something that I should at least try to do myself, as it's not a lot of work, and hopefully it will be okay. So I know it's been a while since I've started the car. I'll let it warm up a bit, and then start preparing to wash it, and let's see how it goes. That's how it sounds on a cold start. So I finally managed to put the car on the ramp with my wife's help, and it wasn't simple. It was the first time that I'm actually using it on my driveway. It was starting to slide a bit, and she had to help, and we couldn't record the whole process. Obviously safety first, and on top of that I decided to put two jack stands. I don't want to mess about, and then so this is the area that I plan to work on. Just having a chat with a friend, and he said it does not look that bad at all for being an Irish car most of its life. It's actually okay. So yeah, plan to clean this properly, and then sand it and apply the proper paint. So ready to wash it. Now after I cleaned it. So now I'm just going to dry it, and then hopefully it will dry quick enough for me to be able to at least continue sanding it down. So it looks like, due to the temperature today, around, as I said, around 20 degrees, it's drying out. It's drying up really nicely. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to start sanding it down, and I'm going to show you all the material that I'm going to use in this little project. So I wanted to show you what I'm going to be using moving forward. Primer. I'm still not sure whether I'm going to be applying the matte black paint first and then the underbody seal. Obviously sandpaper, different grits, 80, I have 240, 320, 500, then other options here as well. I'm also going to be using engine cleaner and degreaser as I go along, different type of sandpaper, and yeah, again, I'll do my best. If it doesn't look as it should, if it's not really that high level, I guess as soon as the rust gets worse, I will start to just consider taking it to a full-on professional. The objective here is really to protect it and well, permanently protect it and reduce the spread. But again, if it doesn't work, just gotta take it to a pro. So I spent around 30 to 45 minutes sanding this area down as much as I could. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray this to fully clean it. The sun is still out and strong, so it should help me clean this, and I'm expecting to do at least one coat of primer. So I'm going to improvise. I'm going to put this liquid inside of the spray container so that I can spray it all over the area that I just finished sanding, and let's see how it's going to look. And as I said, if it looks good, clean, I'm going to do the first coat of primer. Alright guys, so the next step here is really just to put some masking tape and some newspaper and protect the areas that don't need to be touched. So the diff, I'm going to protect the wheels, the exhaust, and some rubber. But yeah, that should be the main parts, and I'll start applying primer. Alright, so I just put a lot of paper and masking tape to protect the areas that won't be painted, and I'm going to start working with the primer now. Let's see how that works. So I was starting to read the instructions on this product, on the underbody seal, a little bit more carefully, and it seems I should not be applying primer first, and I should just apply this one straight, be straight to the point. So I'm going to follow this instruction, and I don't think the primer is actually the right thing to do here for what I'm trying to achieve, but let's see how it goes. And at least it's black, so should blend nice and easy there. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like after our first coat. I actually am happy with it. If you look at it, looks good. Now I need to wait about an hour or two for it to dry and for me to apply the second one. So again, I'm happy with it. Not an expert, just trying to do what I can to at least slow down the rust and protect this as much as I can. And so far it looks good. Alright guys, so according to the instructions from the can, I should wait between 1 to 2 hours. And actually I've waited almost 2 hours already, and it looks dry. I'm actually preparing to do my last coat, and then just gonna let it dry overnight. Obviously I will not be recording as I'm spraying, but you see what kind of a progress I've made here. And again, If anybody watching this has any feedback, any instructions, please feel free to let me know what I did wrong, what I should have done, or maybe I can still do after this. But after the second quote, I should be done. Alright, just wanted to do the final look here at the job done. So removed all the paper already, and now it's really just letting it dry, letting it all dry. So I want to do a quick recap of everything that I've used to do what I just did today. So sanding paper, the underbody seal, different types of sandpaper I should say, engine cleaner, and then I have the spray there that is really just for me to put the liquid and spray it all over. So masking tape, old newspapers, gloves, and this piece here on top of the two ramps and jack stands that I used. I would not have done this without jack stands. Safety first, so yeah, I put two of them to complete this job. Again guys, I'm just letting the car now dry, but that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and let me know what you guys think. Thank you. Thanks for watching.